Well, I'm going to talk to you guys through my dash cam. I don't even know which street this is. Is this Allen Place? I think this is Allen Place. Sunday morning. It's about 7:40 a.m. Your boy just getting out of work. As you can see, it's still mountains of snow out here. Where is it gonna go? Where is it gonna go? This is where it's gonna stay, and this is where it's at. Where else is it gonna go? My temperature on my car is showing 10 degrees outside. So where is it gonna go? Anyway, hope everybody had a wonderful Saturday night. It's Sunday. Who's going to church today? Who's going to church today? Oh, shout out to the UConn women's basketball team. They got a game today at noon at the Hartford Civic Center. Previously known as the XL Center, now known as People's Bank Arena. But to us who are originally from Hartford, it's the Hartford Civic Center. UConn women versus the Tennessee Lady Vols. Last year Tennessee beat UConn, but that was in Tennessee. I want to go to Tennessee so bad. Maybe I'll go there next year because I'm quite sure. Well, maybe gotta see what the schedule looks like. I've never been to Tennessee, and I always wanted to go see the Lady Vols play against the UConn women there. So maybe next year I'll try to plan that. And look at this. This is a nice scrape right here. They must have had a machine to do this shit, because this is too smooth. They had a machine to clear this up over here by Trinity College. This is Trinity College. This is Vernon and Summit Street. They had a machine to clear that up, because that is too smooth. But anyway, I'm about to run to Walmart. I am running to Walmart, and I'm heading home. Oh, shout out to Black History Month. It's February 1st. Oh shoot, I wonder if Walmart gonna be packed or not. It starts till the 3rd, which is Monday, it could be the 2nd tomorrow. Oh boy, I don't know. I have no idea. Anyway, I'm headed to Walmart. Get me some stuff. I gotta work tonight. Once again, this is my weekend to work. So whoever's taking note, this is my weekend to work. Not that it matters these days. And I'm off tomorrow, Monday. But other than that, I'll give me some snacks, go home. I think I'm staying up all day today because I got a few things that I need to do around the house. So instead of wasting time taking a nap, I will be up doing some things around the house. This is Zion Street. I'm going to take a right on to Flatbush Avenue and head to the Flatbush. I need to cut these nose hairs out of my nose. Well, these hairs out of my nose. They are so irritating. Normally it's like a sign that I need a haircut, but I already got a haircut. But I don't think I clipped my nose hairs before I got my last haircut. So my nose hair, and I can't find a good set of, not tweezers, but like some clippers that go up in your nose and do all the heavy lifting for you. So I got some little scissors that I use every once in a while. I got a pair of clippers, some nose clippers, but they don't work. They're not strong enough to me. I want my nose to be clean as a baby's bottom. I want no hair on it. Whew, speaking of no hair. Shit. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Anyway, I'm on Flatbush, heading to Walmart. I might give y'all some footage of me getting on 80. Am I going that way? Am I going straight home? Yeah, I think I'm going straight home. On 84 East from Flatbush to Hartford. Well, again, Hartford, Flatbush to downtown Hartford. So I'm gonna have to do some splicing and dicing to get that footage for you. Of course, I'm gonna have to sit in the car for. Oh, make sure y'all like that previous video that I did. That took a lot of work. That last dashcam video. I do see people reviewing my videos, which is cool. That's the point of posting them. But I would like to have some interaction with you guys. So leave a comment. If you're not already subscribed, share, all that stuff. Turn on those notification bells. But other than that, I'll take this left up into this plaza. I remember I went to 5-Star Market. Bought some duck out of 5-Star Market. It was tasty. It was a lot of duck. I don't think I need that much duck. But it was tasty. It was tasty. There's Dollar Tree right there. I don't think I've ever been in this Dollar Tree. This is how I enter this place. Have I been here since the snowstorm? I don't think so. Got a Marshalls out here. It ain't a Home Goods, it's just a Marshalls. There's 5-Star right there. You got a Rainbows. Oh, they had a fight over here. They got a Snipes at Rail and Hook. Rail and Hook, I guess. You go there and buy your seafood and have a fight. They got Sally's, they got AT&T, they got GameStop, they got T-Mobile, Pretty Nails, Vin Fu, the children's place, Famous Footwear, and Anchor is Walmart. But that's about it. I'm about to park this vehicle, and I will see you guys shortly. And they took out the damn rail. The rail ain't even here. So much goddamn snow. The rail isn't even here. Anyway, I will holler at you guys later. Peace. Anyway, just did my Walmart shopping. Now I'm headed home. Look at these mounds of snow. I'm sorry for talking about snow in these last few videos, but it is what it is. A lot of goddamn snow out here. And you know these parking lots, they gotta clear that shit up so people can have somewhere to park. Look at all that down there. I'm about to hit 84 East. I wanna enunciate. 84 East. See over these damn snowbanks. And today being February 1st, it's kind of packed in there. I don't know if people got their EBT stuff or their retirement checks and their Social Security checks or EBT cards. I don't know. It's packed up in there. Well, it's getting packed. I was in and out. They don't really bother me too much. But it's a nice truck. GMC Sierra. Yeah, it wasn't too bad. Once you got your list together, your grocery list together, you are fine. You are fine as long as you got your list together. Instead of going up and down every damn aisle, you just go exactly where you need to go, and you go. But anyway, I'm about to get on this 84 East ramp, can't say heading into Hartford, but heading downtown Hartford. It's almost like you're going to East Hartford or Boston or Rhode Island. But we're not going that far. We just in the west end of Hartford, and we're going to the east end of Hartford. Make a little detour and head south to the southeast end of Hartford to my final destination. Oh, I wish this car would go faster because I love this little area here because I'd be speeding. But this car seems like an out-of-town car from Florida, got Florida plates. Maybe they don't know where the Billy is. Gas in my tank. I am not putting no gas today. I might do it one day. Definitely not doing it today. I might. I don't think I got cash on me though. If I go to a gas station, it's cash or card, but I don't like using my card at those gas stations. Oh yeah, matter of fact, I did my taxes last night. I did my taxes online last night. It took me about 20 minutes. I don't owe anybody. I'm not getting a lot back, which is good, which means I'm getting more in my pocket, as the president said we would. Get more in your paycheck, but you just won't be getting no big returns, and I'm cool with that. I am cool with that. So I'm not going to bitch and moan about my tax. As long as I don't owe nobody, I'm good. I think I'm getting about a total maybe 500 between, well, not even 500, maybe 300 between both of them. I'll take that. Throw that right there on my mortgage payment. I'll take that 300, 500, whatever it may be. I'm in downtown Hartford right now. See the buildings? heading south. Can you imagine cars be going in the opposite direction? Can you imagine running into a car going into the opposite direction? That is crazy. I couldn't imagine that. That would be crazy. You just see a car coming at you and it's bugged out. Anyway, I'm almost at my destination. Thank you for riding along with me. It's early. It's almost 8:30 in the morning. Oh, shit, I gotta stay up today. Shit, it's gonna be a long day today now. But anyway, I think UConn women come on at noon. I don't know what channel that's on. Might be on ESPN. ESPN like to cover that game. So that'll be interesting to watch at. I think it's noon. It's a whiteout game. Everybody's supposed to wear white. And they're supposed to give out free t-shirts, I think, to the first, I don't know if it's 1,000 or 10,000. To the first 10,000, that would cover just about everybody. But I'm not sure if it's 10,000 or 1,000. Anyway, maybe I won't. I gotta see. I gotta take y'all all the way. I'll take y'all all the way. You got nothing to lose. Flashing yellow. You gotta stop, buddy. You gotta stop for the flashing yellow. Not us, they do. Flashing yellow means just need to use caution, and flashing red means you have to stop. Get this tightness all up in here. At least they didn't cover at least they cleared the fire hydrants as they are required to do. Can't block the fire hydrants. We're here. We are here. Anybody looking out the window? Is anybody looking out the window? Are you looking out the window? Nobody's looking out the window. Anyway, give me a few more minutes. I was looking where I could park at. Damn, I gotta park way down there again. Okay. Could squeeze in between. Just here for a second. Oh shoot, I should have set this up earlier. My bad.